In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, attach, and link files in Google Sheets using FileDrop. This is a really helpful tool for organizing your work and having all of the necessary documents right at your fingertips while working in a spreadsheet. We'll be walking through this step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Google Sheets. If you don't already have a sheet ready to go, now would be a good time to start a new one or open an existing file. Having your spreadsheet set up is the starting point for all the organization magic that will unfold today. Once you're in your Google Sheet, you're going to want to look at the top menu bar, where you'll find a tab labeled Extensions. This is the gateway to powerful add-ons that enhance the functionality of Google Sheets like FileDrop. Just click on Extensions to access a drop-down menu. From that drop-down menu, you will want to locate and select FileDrop. If you have not installed FileDrop previously, you'll need to do that first from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Assuming you see FileDrop there, go ahead and select it. After selecting FileDrop, you'll see an option labeled Start FileDrop. Click on that, and this will essentially initialize the add-on so you can begin using it within your spreadsheet to attach files. Once FileDrop is up and running, the next step is to click on Choose Files. This action will prompt your system to open a file browser window. Here, you'll search for the specific files you want to attach. This is your opportunity to navigate through your computer's storage system, whether it's documents, images, or any other file type that supports your project. Browsing through your files, find the one you wish to link in your spreadsheet. Select it by clicking on the file. Once the file is highlighted or marked as selected, you're simply going to click Open. This is the final part of connecting and attaching the file to your Google Sheet through FileDrop. Right after this, FileDrop will work its magic and attach or link the file you've selected. Now, anyone with access to this Google Sheet will be able to view or interact with that file without having to navigate away from the document. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use FileDrop to enhance your workflows in Google Sheets by attaching any necessary files directly to your documents. This is a great way to keep everything you need in one place and makes it much easier for anyone else using the sheet to access what's necessary. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy file dropping.